Alright, so it's a week later. I missed the upload, but we're back, and I'm rushing right now to get the 240 ready, running, started, and gone. We have to drive 1 hour all the way to my hometown, Pembroke Pines, for a car meet, which is going to be pretty exciting because I can see some of the people I saw before I even got into the whole car thing. So the car's ready to go. I'm just going to turn everything on, give it a couple cranks, start it, and then we're getting out of here because it's like literally an hour drive. It's Florida. You guys already know what's up. I'm sweating already. Car's not even on. The drive's going to be crazy. I'm gonna be super hot. It's actually very humid tonight. I don't know. I'm gonna get to the car meet drenched, but at least the car will make it there. What else do I need to bring? Just bringing my gun, my torque gun, obviously, flashlight, some camera equipment. I think that's good. All right, let's get this baby ready to go. That starter circuit breaker, followed by our fuse panel circuit breaker. Do a quick test. We're straight. Let's get up out of here. All right, let's start with the 240 and let's get up out of here. It's been over a week since I started my 240 last, and I'm excited to hear it run again. So we are gonna crank it up a couple times, get the oil pressure up, make sure all the bearings have oil. I didn't record it, but we just hit like 6 PSI, so that means we got pressure going through the system. We're good to start up, so might need to hit, I'm gonna have to get gas tonight. Big deal, but let's get it running. All right. I have a light for when we're driving. Like if I want to talk, I'm probably not going to drive like that because it's really bright, but I have it just in case. So right now, we're just going to start heading towards the meet and then keep an eye on gas. I might have to stop sooner than I thought, so we'll see though. My headlights need to get fixed. They're so bad. It's just straight high beams that are not even positioned correctly. It's really bad. AFRs and everything looks good. I'll make a turn coming up in a little bit, and then I'm gonna probably get gas and then maybe switch to a mouth mount because I want to pull into the meet with a mouth mount. Come on guys, my car's 30 years old. Let's speed it up. Let's go. Keep getting red lights. Be like burning hot, but it's not that bad driving. Alright, out at a gas station. We're gonna have to stop. stop at the meet, like kind of waiting. So I'm just trying to figure it out. I don't think you're gonna have a crazy reaction because like the car really isn't that fast, but the flutter sounds crazy now. Yeah, and like the responsiveness is low-key way better.
How was the cruise?
Bro.
5?
So it's kind of tough. Oh shit, I'm recording. I'll just cut that out.
Yo.
We'll go like down the wall and then just come back.